The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Man, as I see. Alright, so I saw pieces of videos put together and posted on social media that shows a confrontation between a landlord and persons at the landlord's house that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the confrontation happened, you see? And I talked about that confrontation in a previous video that I posted, viewers and subscribers, you know. And if you want to see that video, I am going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to the previous video that I posted talking about that confrontation shown in those pieces of videos that I put together and posted on social media. Anyways, now I am going to present to you piece of an entire video that had been posted on social media that shows one of the females who was involved in the confrontation between the landlord and the persons at the landlord's house that is located somewhere in the country of Jamaica. See? In the video, the female talked about the landlord and explained certain things that she said happened between her and the landlord. Anyways, I'm not going to explain much about this video. I'm going to present the video to you, and before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Nobody, no man, just show them everything. I come with receipt. We not left nothing on term, babes. We not gonna tell nobody to go suck them mother. We not gonna bring up the body name. We not gonna bring up the body picnic. Like how she has said me have alien picnic. We not gonna talk none of that. We are gonna just talk facts. Okay. If you have a house, right, and the house have to pay a mortgage on it, how you gonna give somebody the house for living as free? It must be some form of arrangement, don't? It must be something. Wash up auntie, cause she a wash up. She a family ram. You see me? But me the plan said then say me not for company live come this nobody. Me for just company live and show facts. And the facts me I go show. Let us go over the agreement. Let me read these first. Now I'm gonna read it. Wait then, turn the live. What's my define?
23. Alright.
That's it now? I want to read it to myself. Me fold it up because there's a number up there.
Let me see that, man.
Alright. I'm going on more facts. Because we don't talk foolishness. Sasha phone this, right? Oh, your phone. I'm going to put my something on there. Okay. I'm going to read that and get that in on the head. Me I come because me not, you see true, me not have to cuss body word and go on and show off because this one not forget no clout, me not look no clout, me not look no knowings. This have to just clear the ear. You see me? This one not nothing. I don't want to be seen. Me not seek attention. Me big enough. Me can't miss. You see me? Alright. This lady I go tell the people them know say she lock up her room and gone a foreign and we put other people in there. This living arrangement was like a family living arrangement. Okay? All you have to say, you have to tell the people them say, you lock up your room, right? And 2 weeks before, the other bathroom now work. You have to all of the bath take out and at the back bathroom we are use. Alright, now me show you a receipt for that. Because me go show you a receipt what she say. We not use the bathroom for a week, use the bathroom the round there so until. So if it was a case what she tell people say we broke off the lock. See, so we broke off the lock and go in the room. So all we are gonna broke off the lock and go in the room. And at that the bathroom they would have used when the other bathroom now work. Or we are gonna break off the lock and go in the room. When the room termite eat on the room and me have to treat the room every 2 days, me have to spray the body in the room. Or me gonna break off the lock and go in the room where you cannot lock up the room because the light them for around at the back and in that room them there. where we wash, the washing machine and everything were outside, in that room, the light them turn on from. So, you gotta tell people, say, you lock, we broke off your something, and go in your room. The living arrangement was like a family. The lady come here, and then we are a week. We cook, we eat, we drink, everything. Me start realize say she toxic because she drain me energy. You see me? Me with the now, I'm good enough. I see 1 second a car from now, your whole day change. Nobody needs that. Me no want to miss the point. I want to show no this cause. You see, true, me no come to tell lie. Oh, she said this something again. 2-5. Where you saw it again, Sash? 2. Just give me a chance. Just give me a chance, people. I'm not cussing nobody word. I'm not telling nobody if you go suck out. 27096. Alright? Let me find that information. Right. Evening, go to work, start the one. Alright. If all of that what she has said, we go in a room or read this. I want to know if you read this. And tell me what the lady say about the workman and me go get sun out of my pocket and everything. I want to read that. Because we not cuss nobody, you know. We not diss nobody. Because we not hype. Because all the way I go dead. Right now, COVID that kill people by the dozens. You see me? So we not hype about nothing. We not there for hype. Just read that for me. So if we look after, if it's gone, you make it gone.
Yeah.
If what's up?
Look on WhatsApp.
Hold on, just give me a. Is it true me I use Sasha phone and we don't understand it? Sasha, me find a WhatsApp.
Yours.
Yeah. The something. Receipt? No, I'm not ready to show them the receipt. The one that she said about the room. So if we use the. Yeah, see it here. When the man finished the bathroom, if we use the bathroom.
Evelyn.
For one
Did
week.
the workman start the work or did he left the material? Evelyn, I just got home and saw some workman being done and material. He told me Major he needed some more bags of sand. So she said she will try and get it by tomorrow. Thanks, hon. When he's finished working on the bathroom, please give him at least a week before using it. I want it to dry and set properly. No problem, I will. Cool.
Alright. So, if it is a fact now, where we broke off bathroom and with this and with that and with whatever, at that bathroom we are used when all of the work are gone. Alright? Pass that now. But our room lock up and she said we use the bathroom. But the room cannot lock like that because around the light them there. It was a situation where we are locked away from each other. And just me and my friend alone live here. 2 women alone live here. You see me? So she come here with me. She come here and she was good. I don't know what if Satan spit in her hole and salt her up and whatever. From she go away. Me never come on the life with this nobody. If God know me never come on the life because they talk to me before. Me sorry. Me no want to go so far. You see me? Me not try this nobody. But you know sometimes getting a pint across your mouth might miss. She come here with we not bring nobody picnic or nothing. You see me? Picnics are off limit. Even though she cuss me about say me have alien, me not go say nothing about none of your picnic them. You see me? Me no petty so. Even though me a smaller woman for her and she a big woman, me no petty so. Let me show you something else now. I don't remember the code again. I tell you the phone now. 27096 yet? 27096 bitch. 270.
Hear somebody one dirty spit him arc up on her drunk or go easy mama. No explanation. Yeah. No explanation is needed.
No, me have to tell you no. Me have to tell you no, babes. Me have to tell you no.
Because people is saying things that
people alright. Look now. If we did so bad, right? And we did this. See the woman there now. See the woman there now. Are the woman that have Sunday dinner with we, you know. Are the woman that have Sunday dinner with we, you know. Look on the woman, you know. A big woman over here say, yo, auntie, whatever. You see me? She come and she have her little ways then, but we are work with her. Because you know why we are work with her? We know so she's soon gone and we not have her to deal with. And we don't pay the rent. And we not keep the place dirty. So we not think so we should have an issue with her. Because the most thing a landlord can have an issue with a person with is not paying them bills and keeping their yard dirty. And she threw out a video and anybody on that video say, in this house dirty, I lie them a tell. You see me? Nobody can say this house, this yard, nothing dirty, because we don't keep dirty yard. So she talk about things about house dirty. The same woman will come here and say, oh Marjorie, don't keep the place clean, the place neaty, this, that. You see when time she turned power now, she said the place nasty.
Here's some of the food should have choke her, make she go. She
Yes,
go for chew, and it could have dealt with a better way.
She said we nasty when she want to cuss we and
then
class.
Somebody if nasty I eat from him, that means say nasty too.
But who every amount of somebody where they on my life right now, we're supposed to come over here. Kayan, Navelin, the whole of them come here. Eat here. Oh, them if ever say me I want big fat shape body. Clean girl. You see me? Me go down to more something.
Go down to more fast.
Yeah, me go down to more fast. Because me not cuss bad word, you know. Me not cuss bad word and talk about suck out and lick out, and because that's not necessary. We start this now. Let me tell you now we start this. After she left and go up in a June. After she left and go up in a June, I realized that this woman, she's very lie. My friend sit down right this and I sit down this and she called my friend on the phone. No, me don't want to pass a party. And that's how I start. Me I'll go back to the work. Me do catering work, right? Me get a catering job. She said she a come, but she don't want to tell nobody when she a go, because like her coming is like the coming of the Lord. Her coming is so special. She can't tell nobody. Me have my work to go do. If me get a work, me I go take my work. So me get a work and me go take my work. Cause you no tell me say you come XYZ. Yeah, me know you go beg me do certain little things, but you no tell me say you come XYZ for me. Arrange up myself. Yeah, go on like say you hide from me. So me have to go do my work, because at the end of the day me have my bills and to pay, and me have myself to feed. And she, exactly, and she talk about caretaker. I tell people about caretaker rest on a receipt where you ever pay me a money yet for caretaking. So me don't understand what you say. You see me? And as I said, me don't want to get ignorant, because this not even called for ignorance. You see me? When me take the work, me tell her, I say, me have a work for do, for 100 odd people, XYZ time, and I'm not going to be able to be here. She said to me, say, oh, you have to take the work, and you know, say, me I come, and whatever. Me say, well, you not tell me the date when you come, and me have to live. But me realize this woman want have me down under her foot. She want have me so. Like she want step on me, like everything when me I do, me fi tell her. And if me not tell her, I cuss cause like me a pitney. Me a no pitney. I am not a child. My mother don't treat me that way. My granny not treat me that way. You see me? So me take the work. After me and her talk on the phone, she said to me, say, oh, when me take the day when the work I go on, at that day she go left. So she said to me, say, me not fi go up, me not fi leave and go to the location. She go help me fi prep the things them. So me ease up, because she want me stay with her, because she not trust people and who I go there with her and this and that, and she want sidekick and all type of something she has said. You see me? Unnecessary type of things where they're not even really relevant right now for talk. You see me? Alright, remember, you know, she said she go help me prep and something, and I realize at the time I go down, you know, and mama, I do all type of something. Mama can't help me do nothing for my prepping. You see me? So I take up myself and I go to Portland and I go do my work. You see me? Because of my money that. And at the end of the day, if me they come beg you something, or have something on your phone for sure, say, me they call you and beg your money, you come tell the world face, but that's when I start avoid the lady. You see me? So when me take the work, before I take the work, she called my friend, my best friend. She called my best friend and say, oh, me fi know say she a come to Jamaica and go take work. Like, you don't want to build me up. You want to see me on my face. Because if me I go work, and you are going to say, oh, me fi go take the work, and me know say you come, who are going to go there so with you. Lady, you not pay me fi walk up and down with you. Me no bag juice, man. Me have to do my work, because at the end of the day when the building come, me love sleep on a fan. You see me? Me come right down to that. Me love sleep, me like eat, me love nyam. Me is a nyama. You know, so me big and fat and stay bad. Yeah, me love eat. You see me? So my friend said to me, say, boy, the woman and I use this still, you know. I said to Sasha, I said, Sasha, you know, say this not gonna work though. Right here, so I sit down beside my friend. And I said, Sasha, this not gonna work. I say from the age of 17, I live by myself. And you see this dictation thing when she depend, and when I like, we are beg, this not gonna work. And this can't work. So I just start prayer. I not say nothing. She come, she go on with her style. When she go back, When she go up back now, the morning, the woman text me friend. Oh, me this and me that. When me find out one day. What she say number again? 3769?
27096.
Bitch, how you expect me to remember that all the time? She say, well, I mean, I reach a part there yet. I reach a part where she say, she left go far. She said she go up. Oh, yes, sir? She said she go up and that lady and start style me, you know. That lady don't even tell me. Safe travel. So I said to myself, like, serious, so show me not see that one day.
Well, my people, and I like the female just come and say the landlord, this and that, you know. The female come and show some proof of the things that we shall talk about, you know. See? You see all those things on phone screen and paper and all them things there, so the female show proof of the things that we shall say. So you can let me know what you think about that situation, then, my people. You see? Yeah, so I presented that video to you so that you can have a better understanding about that whole situation, you know, that happened at that landlord's house. You know, the confrontation and all them things, them people. You see me, I say, and a real, you see me dancehall skill, I mean, I too like people study me. So, if me hear someone and say, someone I try to dictate them life or try to control over their life and them thing there, I can understand, because I myself wouldn't like nobody to go and like them want to control my life and all them things there. See me? Anyways, that female just tell fear side of the story somewhat in the entire video that's out on social media. I just piece of the video we presented to you, my viewers, subscribers. So let me know what you think about that video. Yes, I'm never left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Tenant.